Fa re di konosetsa ka metshameko ya bolotloa ya Afrika Borwa ka tshwaragano le setlamo sa Telkom ba tlile go ka nna le kgaisano ya Telkom Netball League e tla simologa mo kgweding eno fa e tla betlhola malatsi a 26. Tournamente eno e tlile go ka thusa setlhopha sa bosetšhaba sa Baby Spa Proteas go ka ipaakanyetsa sejana sa lefatshe se se tla tshamekang mo ngwageng o re leng mo go yona.
I-Netball South Africa ngokubambisana nabaxhasi abaziqhenyayo i-Telkom iyakuthokozela ukumemezela ukubuya okujabulisayo kwe-Telkom Netball League e-TNL ngamafuphi. Lo mqhudelwano omkhulukazi wase-Afrika we-netball uzoqala ngokusemthethweni ngoMgqibelo mhla wama-26 kuMbasa lapho-ke ezokubanjelwe khona e-Sun City Super Bowl esifundazweni sase-North West.
Preparing the under-21 Spa Proteas to go to Gibraltar. That's the very most important one, because to me is the more game time and the more court time, the more they will understand what they are going there for. Not to participate, however, to compete. And we would like to, to thank Telkom for giving them this opportunity, because it's the Telkom Netball League. There's nothing forcing them to say yes to a national team playing in the Telkom Netball League. And we want to thank them for giving them the opportunity. The young child that tomorrow will be, a Bongim Somi of this country, that tomorrow will be a Kanyisa of this country, a Popine Matangari who is playing now, who is the captain of the under-21, and we are saying, look up to these, players that have made it and they're from where you are. So it's very important that they play, they get good game time, and the coach also understand where she lacks, where she can, go and beef up all that she's thinking of doing in Gibraltar.
Njengoba singathi-ke bosemthethweni mawo lo nyaka, umcimbi wakulo nyaka uzophinda ubaluleke kakhulu eqenjini lesizwe njengoba iSpa Baby Proteas silungiselela umkhankaso we-Netball World Youth Cup eGibraltar. Noma le cup ezodlala-ke ekupheleni kwawo lo nyaka. Kwezemidlalo zeSoweto TV, nginguSifiso Buhle ngokaMsimango.